Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson. Today I want to create with you a new scenario that uses an AI generated avatar to create a video that we could use on social media. To utilize this, we're going to use HeyGen. If you don't know yet what HeyGen is, go ahead and go to HeyGen.com here, and then you can create your own account, and then you can create your own AI generated character, or you can use your own video to create a new videos based on you. So you only give them a couple of videos, they will analyze it, and then we create a character that you can just feed it text and it will create it. It's quite interesting. Before we start, I'm gonna just mention that you're gonna find the blueprint for this in the description box below, as well as a lot of important links that will be beneficial to you. Okay, so I'm in make.com. I'm gonna go create a new scenario in the top right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with Perplexity. So the thing about Perplexity is that it goes and gets links from the internet for you. Okay, so what I want to do is, can you go and get me the top 5 new trending news on AI today? And then I'm gonna go user, I'm gonna go save, and then I'm gonna test just to see what Perplexity can give us. So now the choices are these. So the content is this. Okay. So now that we have the news, what we need to do is we're gonna take those news, and we're gonna use HeyGen to actually but the way the news are, let me see. So the news are like this. We can ask, let's try to ask Perplexity to create a new system message. We'll put it above, and then you are an expert research assistant. You will be asked to fetch most trending news for today. And you have to output the result as a JSON in this format. So I mentioned that. Okay, and then here it would be, let's try so we got this news. This will be the trending news. And then here would be order. The order would be the order of the news, starting from 1. Okay, let's save and try that. let's see what it gave us. Okay, news, order news. And then they gave us the whole news. What we can do is leave this to ChatGPT. So let's do that. I think it's better to do it this way. So let's go to Open Router. Let's use Open Router. It has all the chat models that we could use. Or let me try ChatGPT since I will be using that. So the model will use the we'll use this. Let's use this. Then let's do system. You will receive 5 trending news about AI, and your job is to summarize and output, okay, the news, summarize for a person to read, make it sound natural and friendly. Okay, and then only output JSON without any added text in the beginning or end. Save that and let's run. I forgot to add the user message. So let's add this. Role as user, and then this is the user message, and it will be the content from here. Okay, so let's run this and see what it gives us. Okay, let's see the choices that we have from here. So news, okay, order, perfect. So here what we want to add is parse. So we're gonna say JSON, parse JSON, and then we're gonna parse whatever ChatGPT gives us here, and then we will add the HeyGen. So what we want is to create a video, an avatar video. After you create an account, just add your API here. So video input, you have to choose the avatar. So you have to choose the avatar name, I think here. See, let's choose that. Avatar style. So no, okay, everything is good. Voice type. Audio. Or maybe text we should try. Then you have to choose the voice actor as well. I could use Alex, which is so the input text would be, we'll get from before. Okay, let's save for now, and let's test this until we see what we get up to here. So let's see what we got here. So we have an array, and then in the array we have this. Perfect. So what we need to do is, as usual, we're gonna take that array and break it out 2 bits. Let's run this. So I'm doing this with you as we're doing this. I haven't tried this before, but I had the idea, and I wanted you guys to see me how I do it. So now we have bundles, exactly what we want. Now we can aggregate. We will do text aggregator. Let's do that and try to aggregate this. We'll take it from here, row separator, new row. Right, and then we'll say do that. Let's run this again. So eventually we want to have a body of text that our actor can read. That is the basic idea, and then the actor would read that text. Okay, there is an issue here. Let's see what is here. So here we said news in this exact, so that it's not a, sometimes it's summary, sometimes it's we don't want that. We want it to be the same value each time. Okay, I think it's, see, it's now value. Let's maybe choose another model. Okay. assistant. Let's see this. I think I'm gonna hook up Opera router. Just give me a second. I'll pause and then I'll come back. Okay, I got the router key. So open router API. Let's see. Okay, chat completion. And then I'm gonna create a connection. I'm gonna push my API in here. And then I'm gonna choose ChatGPT 4, okay. And then here, I'm gonna do a system and test. And then we're gonna get whatever we wrote in here and put it there. I had better experience using Opera than actually the original node for ChatGPT. And it takes a lot of time for this to load for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna unlink this, and I'm gonna put this here. And in the user, put that in. And here I just wanna change this to whatever the message in here. And then here as well, things should be fine. So let me save this. Let's name this. AI avatar clone for now. Save, and let's run this to see if this now works. Okay, see the choices that we got. Okay, it gave us what we want, but it added this bit at the beginning. Let's make sure. Let's run it again. I think it's the same issue. All right, so I took another approach with this. I didn't want you guys to wait. And what I did is I instructed the AI at the beginning to output the summarized bits of news that I have. So these are 5 news. So we summarized those news, and I told the AI to make it in a connected way so that a person can read through it all. And the result is quite decent this way, and we saved ourselves a couple of nodes. We didn't need to, so we have these for the person to read. Okay, so now we'll just connect this to HeyGen, and for the text we are going to say take the text from the message. Okay, Then the title of the video is going to be, for example, AI news, and then it's going to be the date. We'll say format, and then we'll put the today's date with the now, and then we'll specify how we want it. Okay, we'll do that, and we will captions. Yes, let's have captions. I think that's good. Let's save this. Now after this, we're gonna have to wait, or what we say sleep in. So the wait is let's put 300, and let's clone this. We're gonna have to wait a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna go to HeyGen and we're gonna get that video. So, and to get that video, we'll need the video ID. We'll map it, and then we'll grab the video ID from the previous node here. So now that we got the video, we can just post it, right? Let's see if I can post it on LinkedIn. Create a user, okay, video. I have, okay, I'll need to re-authenticate. I'm doing that right now. So it should be fine. Okay, so here what we'll get is the video URL, but we need to, I think we need to download it. So let me put an HTTP. Let's do that, and the URL would be video URL from here. I'm gonna save, and then it will get the it will get it from here, and then we're gonna have to put the content. We can choose this as the content. We don't need to specify the title. Let's hit save. Let's readjust everything, and let's test this and see. Of course, I wouldn't want you to wait all that time. I'm gonna test this, and I'm gonna see how it goes and come back to you in a second. All right, everyone, so I've made a couple of changes. I want to go over that with you guys. First of all, I mentioned in the prompt here, don't worry, you will get the prompt later on, that the text should be read by a person in less than a minute. So this makes the video size smaller and much easier to handle. And then, of course, we'll get the avatar that we want. We'll wait for I'll put it here 290 by 290. I think that's in seconds. I think that should be good enough. And then we will get the video based on the actual so this will be based on the video ID that we get from here, right? And then in the HTTP we'll get the video URL. It is from here, so it is video URL, yes, this one. Okay, and then in here we can actually put the actual text that we got. So exciting news today, exciting AI news today, and then we'll get the text that is in here. Okay, there you go. I'll put that in here, and then we'll save and then we'll save our scenario. Now the video already finished, so let's go ahead and take a look. So that is our video that we've generated.
Elon Musk's social media platform, X, has just stepped up its AI game by upgrading its chatbot, Grok, with image editing capabilities. Using the Aurora model,
So as you can
users
see,
can now generate
this has a caption, the video exactly as what we wrote, and it's quite amazing, I have to say.
Lastly, OpenAI is expanding its impact beyond tech by partnering with U.S. national.
Okay, so this is great. What I advise doing is don't use the avatars that are already there. You can create your own avatar, right? You can create an avatar, and then
Hey guys,
you just have to upload a video of yourself if you want to create an avatar of yourself. But you can also create an avatar from scratch. Like here, create an like if, for example,
Hey
if I
guys.
remember started,
I'm so
so you can choose motion. Yeah, this is about creating. I think you can create an avatar by prompting. I remember having that. You can also have brand in here, but in avatar, yeah. So here you can create you can generate, yes, you can generate your name, your avatar, the age, the gender, and then you describe it, and you say how you want it. Is it portrait, full body, etc. And then it will create your, like for example, it created this one for me. And then after it, you create an image, you can train that image to actually have the video. And here the voices, it suggests voices.
Hello, I am a generated voice you can.
See, you can do that. So this removes the need for you. For example, this opens up the way to create this YouTube channels, TikTok videos, Facebook videos of this avatar that you create, AI avatar that you create based on what you want, what you write, and then you train it, and then you can constantly post content. There's no need for you to show up in the videos. There's no need for you to use existing avatars, because I bet those are used a lot by a lot of people. So you don't need to do that. You can just create your own one. And following this scenario, again as a summary, I like to summarize stuff for you, so you to understand how the workflow works. So first, we're using Perplexity because it has access to the internet. We'll ask it to get us the top 5 trending news of whatever niche you are in. After it does, we'll ask ChatGPT, or actually you can ask DeepSeek as well, the R1 model, to summarize those and put it in a paragraph that a person can read in less than a minute, and have the paragraph connected together. Then the text is created. After that, we'll link it to HeyGen. We'll choose the avatar. We'll choose the voice. Sorry. And we'll give it the text. Then we will wait until that video is done. And then we'll get the video. We'll download the video. And then we can post here. We can post on. We can even remove this. And we can put a router here. So we can put a router here. Then that router will be here, would be LinkedIn, and here would be Facebook. So we can create a post, and here we can add more. It could be Instagram. And then here we will say create real post, and so on and so forth. You can hook up all your social media accounts to get that video and get it posted. Okay, so I'm gonna save this scenario so you have it, and the only thing that you need to do is go ahead, click on the 3 dots and import blueprint, and then you have it. I hope that was interesting to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.